How to use web check-in and checkout. Using this feature, the sales rep can geo-tag their check-in and checkout using their Kylas mobile app. The feature helps sales managers keep a track on their field sales activity, the location, and duration of the meeting. Here is how you can check in and check out of the meeting. To check in for the meeting, open the meeting's details page. You will find the check-in button at the bottom of your mobile screen. Click on it and give the permission to track live location permission. Confirm if the location is accurate. Once you are checked in successfully, the check-in button will get replaced with the checkout button. Once the meeting is done, go back to the meeting details page to check out. Click on the checkout button and confirm your location. Once you give the information, your check-in and checkout location details will get fetched into your marketing details. You can mark the meeting status as conducted, canceled, or rescheduled after checking out from a meeting. Managers can monitor the field sales activity of their sales reps using the meeting details page. They will be able to do it by scrolling down and clicking on the check-in location and checkout location links that will redirect them to the Google Map navigation. The feature helps salespeople in keeping track of their sales team and the meetings that are being conducted remotely.